Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get started editing branding using the Canva Brand Kit. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so setting up your brand kit to keep designs on brand across your team. So it's really simple. So on the mobile phone, you just have to go to the home tab and then just click on the menu icon with the three lines, and then just tap on brand icon, then tap brand kit, and then just tap on the plus icon from the top corner of your screen. Enter your brand kit's name, tap on create, and you can set up your new brand kit by uploading logos, adding color palettes, or uploading fonts. So you can add your color palettes or palettes, whatever it's called, and you can set up your brand kit. And this is how you do it on your mobile. On a computer device, from the home page side panel, click the brand icon, this one right here. On the brand kit tab, click on the plus icon, add brand kit, enter your new brand kit's name, click on create, set up your brand kit by uploading logos, adding color palettes or uploading fonts. So this is how you do it, guys. You can just customize it, and then you can be consistent with your brand designs. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.